Welcome to this tutorial on writing commands in Chimera. In this tutorial, we will type commands to change the display to atoms, show and hide ribbons, change the color of the amino acid residues, label individual residues, remove solvent molecules, and save the image in different file formats. To follow this tutorial, you should have knowledge of undergraduate biochemistry, must be familiar with structural biology and Chimera interface. For relevant tutorials, please visit our website. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu operating system version 14.04, Chimera version 1.10.2, Mozilla Firefox browser 42.0, and a working internet connection. Double-click on the Chimera icon to open the Chimera window. Click on the lightning bolt icon to open the graphics window. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use commands to manipulate the structure. Open the command line using Favorites menu. A command text box appears at the bottom of the Chimera window. Tasks performed with menus can be carried out using commands. About Chimera commands. Chimera commands are entered at the command line. Multiple commands can be combined into one line with semicolon separators. Press Enter key to execute the command. Previous commands can be accessed from command history. More information about commands is given at the link shown. Back to the Chimera window. Let us open a model of leucine zipper by typing a command. The command starts with a command word. On the command line text box, type open space 1ZIK. You need a working internet connection for this step. Press Enter to execute the command. The structure appears on the screen. To change the ribbons display to atoms, in the command line text box, type the command word display. Press Enter. We now have a structure of the protein in atoms display. The structure is partially represented as ribbons. To hide the ribbons, type the wave symbol, also known as tilde, followed by the command word ribbon. A command with a tilde indicates the reverse function. Here, tilde symbol followed by ribbon keyword hides the ribbons. Press Enter. We can use color command to set colors to atoms, bonds, surfaces, etc. For example, to change the color of all leucines, type color space yellow space colon followed by the three-letter abbreviation for the amino acid. For leucine, I will type LEU. Here, color is the command word with argument as yellow and the target is all leucines in the structure. If you do not specify a target, the entire structure will be colored in yellow. Press Enter. Observe the panel. All the leucines are now colored yellow. We can specifically color an amino acid present at a particular location. For example, to change the color of histidine present at position 18 on chain B, type color space red space colon 18.B. Press Enter. Observe the panel. Histidine is now colored in red. To change the display of the entire structure to CPK spacefill, type REP. REP is the truncated version for the keyword represent. REP space sphere. Press Enter. Observe the panel. To bring back the structure to stick display, again type REP space stick. Press Enter. To hide the solvent molecules from the structure, type DEL for delete space solvent. Press Enter. To activate residues for selection, use Select command word. On the command line text box, type select space colon followed by the number and chain of the residue. For example, to activate the lysine present at the position 28 on chain B, type select space colon followed by 28.B. Press enter. Now, to show the label for the residue selected, type R label space SEL. Press enter. Observe the panel. The residue label for the selected residue is displayed. To deselect the residue, which we have selected earlier, press up arrow key to get the select command. Type the tilde symbol at the beginning of the command. Press enter. A list of keywords and command index is available in the help menu. Click on the help menu, scroll down and click on command index. A web page opens with a list of keywords to write commands. Back to the Chimera window. If you want to change the background color from black to blue, type background space solid space blue. Press enter. The panel is now blue in color. To view the command history, click on the black triangle present at the right side of the command line. The command history lists previously used commands. Commands can be re-executed by clicking on the command. To hide the command line, click on Hide Command Line option in the drop-down. There are many options to save the structure you have created. Open the File menu. You can restore a session, save a session, save the image in JPEG or PNG formats, save the image as PDB or MOL2 files, export the scene, etc. For demonstration, let me save the image in JPEG format. Click on Save Image option. A Save Image dialog box opens. Select the file location as desktop. Type the file name as 1ZIK. Choose the file type as JPEG. Fix the image size according to your requirement. For demonstration, I will type 800 as width and 600 as height. Click on Save button. The image is saved as 1ZIK.jpg on the desktop. Let's summarize what we have learnt. In this tutorial, we typed commands to change the display to atoms, show and hide ribbons, change the color of the amino acid residues, label individual residues, remove solvent molecules, save the image in different file formats. Now for the assignment, type commands to load the structure of human oxyhemoglobin PDB code 2DN1. Change the display to atoms and hide ribbons. Color all histidine residues in green. Remove the solvent molecules and save the image in JPEG format. Your completed assignment should look as follows. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown. This is Snehalata from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.